In this video, I wanted to show you what comes in the box with this Thule Yepp Maxi kids bike seat. So I was in a hurry and I knew that people were using these to put on rad bikes. And when I was in the checkout cart, it recommended an accessory, this frame adapter. And so I wasn't sure if the frame adapter came with it or not. And so I just waited till it got here. It came with it. However, I thought the bottom of this seat had a more universal adapter, and it's not. It's meant for the frame adapter only. And haven't spent a lot of time looking, but I don't think that they have I don't think you can get a replacement part to this to go to the frame mount or the rack mount. So at any rate, it turns out on the box, if you go to Thule's website, you can get the frame fixed one or the rack fixed one. And like I said, it doesn't look like you can take the same seat frame and just change the bottom mount. So I'm going to send this one back and order the one that goes directly on a rack. I was hoping that I'd be able to use both, so I could use my traditional bike with the frame rack and the rad bike with the seat or the rack mount. Anyway, hope that helps.